Hi, it's Silvestro and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you my top 10 tips for crushing your weight loss New Year goals in 2021.
Have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and go. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know.
And this channel is all about losing weight, but losing weight for the very last time, where I do workouts, recipes, and motivational mentoring talks and tips to help you lose weight for the very last time. I'm from Sydney, Australia. I lost 80 kilos 18 years ago. It took me 18 months to lose all of my weight, and this channel is all about me sharing with you all the tips and all the experiences that I encounter whilst losing my weight that's going to help you lose your weight for the very last time. So let's talk about ways to set and stick with your New Year's resolution weight loss goals. Number one, don't commit to too many new habits at once. It's much better to pick one or two specific goals and focus on them rather than setting a bunch of new goals and getting overwhelmed. If you have a lot of goals in mind, that's fine. Write them down and then pick one or two to start with. And remember and make sure that you choose goals that are meaningful and that are going to motivate you to keep on moving forward. Step number two, build confidence. I love this one. To choose which goals to pick first by identifying the easiest ones first. By choosing these goals, you can easily accomplish them, and that will help you build up your confidence, build up your self-esteem, making it even more challengeable goals feel like I can do this and you can successfully achieve them. So build momentum and build confidence. Number three, check in with yourself and your progress daily, weekly, and monthly. Once you decide on a goal, write it down in a place where you'll be reminded of it often and develop ways to track your progress. Is very important. So for example, I'm going to make this easier for you. You can download my free instant digital weight loss planner. The link up here, link down below, is a great place to track your food intake, your exercise, how much water, how you're feeling, what you're eating, your measurements, your sleeping. And I've got lots and lots of recipes in this for you as well. It's going to help you. Number four, be forgiving. Having an all or nothing mentality will not get you to your long-term goals, as life is full of unexpected changes. 2020, it was there for us. So important to give yourself enough grace and space to pack up and pack up all the stuff away and brush away the dust and try again. Long-term goals and new habits will come with, yes, there'll be bumps and detours along the way, and that's okay. But if you get frustrated, because you will, and you give up when life happens, chances are you will never achieve your goals. That's not being negative. I just want you to set your goals in 2021. So let's all try to be more forgiving with ourselves and give ourselves a break, okay? 5, change the way you speak to yourself, your internal dialogue. Make sure to give yourself the positive words and get rid of all the negativity around you, because it's not going to help you. It's going to put you in a bad mindset. Use language like I can and I will versus I wish and I could. If you tell yourself you can and then put into work, you will succeed. You will succeed your weight loss goals and keeping it off. I guarantee that. 6, Celebrate the wins along the way. Stay positive. When things get hard, it's important for the big goals. So celebrate all the little wins along the way and enjoy the process. All those small wins add up to a big win and gives you the confidence as well. 7, be consistent. Goals take ongoing work and patience, and this work, even when you don't feel like it, you aren't feeling particularly motivated, but you keep at it all the time, day in and day out and day in and day out, and you will get the results because you have put the hard work in. 8, change your mindset. Change your mindset. We're all born with unique ability levels. However, that doesn't mean that you can't start learning. We're limited in what we can learn or achieve. Can go on beyond that fixed mindset that assures you that you're limited. In other words, you either have it or you don't, and then that type of thinking can really limit your success in losing weight for the very last time and achieving your goal. So in contrast, what we need to develop is a growth mindset, is one which you believe will develop over time and effort and hard work and patience and know-how and making mistakes. When we talk about a growth mindset, we set more achievable, ambitious goals because we can improve everything and we're willing to put the hard work into it. That's how you get a growth mindset, by being open and not having limitations. Number 9, create habits that align with your new mindset and goals. So if you want your mindset of that, you need to start doing things on a daily basis, things that will help you achieve it. I find, for example, listening to podcasts that relates to my goals increases my knowledge, that empowers me, it gives me that information, what I want to do and achieve, reinforces the ideas and habits that I'm already aware of. So it's really important to do that. And another helpful way to stay in this growth or open mindset is establish helpful habits and surrounding yourself with other people that will encourage you and will push you and pick you back up again when you need to. And if you're around other people that are hard work and are patient, that have been through and have achieved the goals that you want to achieve, it's more likely that you're going to achieve them because you are surrounded by people that you want to be like. Number 10, get out of your comfort zone. Just like exercise, growth occurs when you are uncomfortable and you feel challenged, which is a great thing because that's when you grow. Be open to getting outside, just a little bit outside your comfort zone to make your goals a reality. So the bottom line is this, that 2020 was crazy and, upsetting. So as we start 2021, let's all hit the refresh button up there and make it a better year than ever before. Now, this is what I want you to do. Write down your goals, check in with yourself regular, be kind to yourself, watch out for the words, change your self-talk, your dialogue, celebrate your small wins along the way, but also be consistent. Develop and have a growth mindset and create meaningful habits. Surround yourself in a positive, healthy environment. And my last one, get out of your comfort zone just a little so that way you can achieve your goals. Now, have you made your goals for the new year before? Share in the comments below and any tips you have. I love reading comments. I find them inspiring because it also gives me the opportunity to connect with you and to help you, because this channel is all about losing weight and losing weight for the very last time. And I share with you what I did 18 years ago when I lost my 80 kilos. And that all happened from day one. when I set my goal and I said to myself, well, I've tried so many ways to lose weight, but this time I'm going to lose weight, fall in love with a lifestyle that I can adapt to and do things that I can do forever. So if I don't like Brussels sprouts, guess what? I don't eat them. If I don't like to swim for my exercise, I don't swim. Do things that you enjoy doing when it comes to eating, when it comes to exercise or activity, who you surround yourself with. You can pick who you're around, what you read, what you listen to, what you fill your mind with. You're in control of the direction you go with losing weight for the very last time. And that is probably one of the biggest reasons why I've been able to keep my weight off, because I've been a lot more control. However, I have adopted a lifestyle and I have chosen to do things that I can do forever. Not just for 1 day or 3 days or 14 days or 1 month. You can do forever, which you enjoy. And once you have done that, then you'll dial it in to your lifestyle and you will lose weight, but lose weight for the very last time. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found it helpful. If you have, please give it a like and please consider in subscribing to the channel. You can also hit the notification button, and what that does is every time I upload a new video, which is about 3 to 4 times per week, you get the VIP treatment and get notified first before anyone else. So I hope you do. I hope you really enjoy it and be a part of the community. Like I said, this channel is all about losing weight and losing weight for the very last time. It's never been any easier with me, Silvestro, the weight loss king. And once again, I'm very humbled and very grateful that you have chosen to watch this video and my 10 tips in crushing your weight loss goals in 2021. My next video is going to be a polar, so I hope you watch it. And once again,
Rise up and we follow the